And I was like, yo.
Hi guys, I sound dead. I almost sound sick. So it's 5 in the morning. I have to get ready for picture day. I have to be very quiet because everybody is sleeping and I don't want to wake everybody up. So, oh, this could be like an ASMR video. Hey guys, it's Kaylee. Welcome to my ASMR video. First, since I have my little, oh my god, my hair is so messy. I have to put my contacts in. I just recently got new contacts and I got these new glasses. And you know, my prescription got really bad. I'm officially more blind than my own grandpa and my own grandma, so... Well, what the heck, it came out of my eye. Here's my very messy makeup bag. I just have brushes in here and a whole bunch of stuff that is just in here because I'm always late, so I just throw everything in here. That's basically the end of my story there. Oh my god, guys. Picture day. So you know what the funny thing is? Guys, I didn't know today was picture day until like 2 days ago. I'm over here, forgot it was picture day. Then I remembered it was picture day. And I was like, that's silly. I was having a lot of trouble picking out my outfit yesterday because they just don't have any good backgrounds. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. My mascara keeps falling.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So I'm back. People are awake now, so they're probably gonna hear me in the bathroom and they're gonna think that I'm talking to myself, which I am. And they're gonna be confused. That's okay. My eyebrows don't look the best, but they're doable. In case if you guys are wondering, because I didn't show how I do my brows. I guess I could do a tutorial if you guys want to, but I do use the Anastasia dip brow because I'm basic. But I whip out the tape for the eyes here, which, you know, tape sometimes helps, but I can never get them even. Oh, I'm getting a pimple. It's very small, but it's there. I don't have an actual eye primer because I've never invested the money to actually get a good eye primer. Although I know Morphe is a very good brand. I could get an eye primer because I'm pretty sure they have one because they gave me a free sample in the mail, but that's gone. Because it was not a lot, of course, because it's a sample. We're gonna paint it on. I actually wish I knew how to paint. Like, you know, I could go to college as like an art major or something and then have like the best time of my life because I'm just painting and drawing and stuff. But no, I'm not good at that. So I have like, in case if you guys are wondering, you know, Kaylee, are those your real lashes or are those fake lashes? Yeah, they're fake and they're extensions. It's my first time getting extensions, and you know, so I have to be very careful whenever I do my makeup because if you're like being rough or if you get a lot of makeup on it and then you don't clean it, they're gonna fall off. So by the way, I don't know how to do makeup. Like I really don't. So if like you think I'm doing something wrong, which, you know, everybody's always like, oh, there's no wrong way to do makeup. There's no rules in makeup. So I just kind of do my own thing. I always do my eyes first because I really mess up a lot on my eyes, especially my eyeliner. And my dress has some yellow in it, so we're gonna... I'm not really gonna show you what I'm doing because I'm actually planning on doing a school makeup routine video. And if I do all of this right now, then I'm not gonna be able to make it. I mean, I guess I could just show you what palette I'm using. It's really dirty because my makeup It's the Yes Please. It says cute AF on it, but that's not what it's called. It's called the Yes Please palette from ColourPop. I have this like air freshener thing or whatever, like you know, like the, I think it's Glade, like the Glade things that like spray out the smelly good stuff. It's like right on my toilet, so it's so funny because like if you're doing your business and it like starts spraying, it's like, it's kind of startling. So I don't know what the point of that story was. Okay, I just checked the time and it's almost 5:40 and I have to leave here at 6:30. I might be a little late, but that's okay. So we're gonna take this now. Oh, this palette is so good. Like, it'll always be my all-time favorite. Because if you're into warm colors or like the pink colors, oranges and like reddish stuff, definitely the pinks. That's what I'm really into. Let's just let's try this eyeliner business, and if it doesn't work, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. Wow, it's pretty horrible. Yeah, I'm like really sad that this is happening right now. And you know, like, it's guys, it's just an off day. Why is the dollar store called the dollar store or Dollar General if there's stuff that is like 20 bucks in there? Like, be like Dollar Tree. Everything is $1 in there. If you go to Dollar Tree, oh my god, it's so much better. Oh yeah, so I recently started using BB creams because I don't like using full coverage foundations because I just don't want to cover everything on my face. It's a more natural look. Like, I prefer not to be all glammed up at school. I'm stressing over here. I be stressing out because I gotta go to school. I forgot. Oh my god, I forgot. It's okay, it's okay. Never too late to fix your mistakes. It smells so good. It smells like coconut and I freaking love it. Unless if you don't like coconuts, then probably don't get this. That's someone using the toilet in their other bathroom. I don't know. Told you guys, don't know anything about makeup at all. But here I am. I'm trying. As long as you try and show that you tried, you'll be fine. I'm being very inspirational. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pack up and I'll get right back to ya. So basically this is the whole outfit here. I have this dress from Forever 21 and the famous Doc Martens here, boys and girls. You can see my white socks exposed. Hello guys, so I'm back home and I just really hope that these pictures turned out, and if they didn't, I'm gonna go now. Thanks for watching this horrible video. I hope that my pictures turned out, and for those of you guys who are taking picture day, for you guys who are having picture day, good luck to you. No, I'm kidding. I'm sure they're all gonna look great. Okay, so I'm gonna go now. For real this time. Alright, bye guys.
I don't wanna see you cry. You don't have to feel this emptiness. She said I love you till the day that I die.